10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Falcon 9 with the DART mission on the way for humanity's first ever planetary defense test mission.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Stage 1 chamber pressure is nominal.
T plus 33 seconds. SpaceX launch engineers seeing a nominal conditions on Falcon 9 as we begin the trip to space carrying the DART spacecraft. M1D engines about to begin throttling down.
Power and telemetry nominal.
We're throttled down. Avionics calls out good power on the vehicle.
Vehicle supersonic. Max Q.
We've gone supersonic. We're through the period of maximum dynamic pressure. And the Maryland 1D engines have throttled back up to full power. We're out of the throttle bucket. From here on, even though the velocity is rapidly increasing, the atmospheric density is decreasing, and so the loads are decreasing now on the Falcon 9. Everything continues to look good with the stage 1 trajectory.
Invac chill has started.
Lead valve is open on the second stage engine. That's beginning the final chill prior to second stage engine ignition. Two minutes into flight, all continues to go well. In 30 seconds, we'll have 3 significant events coming up in quick succession. We'll get MECO, main engine cutoff, where we shut down the 9 Merlin engines. The stages will separate, and we'll get ignition of the MVAC-D second stage engine to power DART and the second stage into their parking orbit. We've throttled down to hold at 4 Gs, getting ready for MECO.
MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
Invac ignition.
We've got successful stage separation. Second stage engine ignition now at full power on the Merlin engine. Next event coming up is going to be payload fairing jettison. On the left side, you can see the titanium grid fins on the first stage beginning to deploy as we get ready to bring the first stage back down to the drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, in the Pacific Ocean. Getting ready now. There's the view
Separation confirmed.
of the fairing. And we've got deployment of the payload fairing, and now the DART spacecraft exposed to the vacuum of outer space. Now, we will be attempting to retrieve these new fairing halves with the help of our recovery vessel, NRC Quest.
Stage 2 on nominal trajectory.
Everything going well with Falcon 9 and DART.
What you're looking at on your screen is a live view of that MVAC engine on our second stage, burning bright. We are currently in the first of 2 planned MVAC burns for spacecraft deployment today. At T plus 6 minutes and 40 seconds, you should see on your screen, hopefully we'll get some live views of the first stage entry burn. And that entry burn will last about 30 seconds. Now for the entry burn, we do relight the center E9 engine, and then partway through we relight the E1 and E5 engines, so that we have 3 total M1D engines helping to slow the vehicle down as it passes back into the Earth's atmosphere. And it looks like we got a live view on your left-hand screen of the first stage.
Stage 1 FTS is safed.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And we heard the call out as well as visual confirmation that the entry burn has begun on the first stage. Again, this is about a 30-second burn and just helps to slow the vehicle down as it's re-entering the denser part of the Earth's atmosphere.
Stage 1, entry burn shutdown.
And as you could see, the engine shut down on your screen. We did hear a call out that entry burn is complete.
The view you see from the second stage camera is the DART spacecraft. We're going to listen to hear the call out and watch for DART separation.
DART separation confirmed.
And to those watching, you're witnessing a successful deployment of the DART spacecraft. The impact of the DART spacecraft with the small asteroid Dimorphos is scheduled to happen sometime between the end of September and early October in 2022, when the double asteroids are closest to the Earth. Now, during impact, the spacecraft will be traveling roughly 15,000 miles per hour or 4 miles per second. This is going to be an exciting collision to witness, and we wish everyone at NASA the best of luck with the rest of the mission.